Hi, I'm Jordan, and I'm going to show you how you can unlock agentic web browsing in n8n by running any Airtop web agent in any n8n flow. Airtop agents can browse the web, log into website portals, and access tools without an API using cloud browsing. Basically, Airtop agents can do just about anything you can do on the web, and you can build Airtop agents in just a few minutes by chatting with an AI agent builder. No experience necessary, it's as easy as talking to ChatGPT. So if you need your n8n flow to access a tool or website that doesn't have an API, or scrape websites, or browse the web, or fill out forms, now you can do that by plugging in an Airtop agent. This flow runs an Airtop agent that navigates to any public Loom video URL, grabs the transcript, converts the transcript into a JSON format, and then it sends that JSON package to a ChatGPT node, which turns the transcript into a LinkedIn post draft, and then it sends the LinkedIn post draft to Slack. To run an Airtop agent within an n8n flow, just add the Airtop module, choose Run an Agent. Then to connect to your Airtop account, you just go to API Keys, create a new key, give it a name, copy this key, keep that key secret, ladies and gentlemen, and then add a connection and plug in your API key here. Then once you've built your Airtop agent, you can find the Webhook endpoint URL under Connect, copy that, paste it here, and then you just have to pass the necessary parameters, which you can also find in the Connect panel. Plug that in here. Then we'll give it a Loom video URL, so it'll navigate to this page, find this transcript, and then convert the transcript into a JSON package. For any Airtop agent, you can just ask the agent builder to make sure its output is in a JSON format. That makes it very easy to work within n8n flows because you can pass any piece of the JSON package to any node you want within n8n. We'll plug in this Loom video URL. We'll run our agent. And now your Airtop agent is running within Airtop, and it's going to send its output back to n8n. So the agent has run, and it's given us a JSON package as output. And you can do with that package whatever you want. You can pass little pieces of it to further nodes. And of course, you can pass outputs from previous nodes and plug them into the parameters for your Airtop agent. In the completed flow, we passed the Airtop agent output into this ChatGPT node, and then we sent the output from that to a Slack module. And here we can see the final result, which is our LinkedIn post draft based on the Loom video transcript sent to Slack via an n8n workflow. That's all there is to it. You can run pretty much any Airtop agent within any n8n flow. Just make sure that the Airtop agent is outputting a JSON package, and you can just ask the agent builder to do that for you. And now your n8n flows can browse the web, scrape websites, fill out forms, access tools that don't have an API. Airtop agents open up n8n flows to the entire web. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing what kind of crazy fun web automations you guys come up with. See you later, automators.